What would you like to do if money were no object? What makes you itch? What sort of a situation would you like? Better to have a short life that is full of what you like doing than a long life spent in a miserable way.
Alright, so today we're gonna try out something a little bit different. We're gonna upgrade something, but it's a ghetto. It's a ghetto upgrade, but we're gonna do it anyways because this is Tuned Tunas. Alright?
Okay, so the question, would 350Z seats, stock seats, fit on a stock G35? And that's what we're gonna find out today. I think they will, since I tell Tony and Jairo that the body is the same, other than the 10 inches in the back seat. So we're gonna find that out. Okay, so I already unbolted it and took all the wiring. I would disconnect the battery first, since this whole seat is an airbag. But if you want to know how to unbolt the seat with the rails, click on the other video up here somewhere, and then I'll show you how to do that. But since it's already off, so we need, it's that heavy that we need 2 people.
It's pretty heavy, no lie.
Lift it up. Ah, pinnacle. What was it called? It's so heavy.
Alright, so a little explanation as to why we're doing this. These like right off the bat are bigger than that one. And since these are base model seats, they came off my car. They don't have the whole airbag thing.
Well, it's because it's a luxury.
Yeah, these have, well, everything they have is heated seats, electric, the power switches, and I mean it's just fucking big as shit. Like, it's big. This one's small. It's basic. It's got the rails. It's like, it just has a buckle. That's pretty much all you need. So let's hope they fit.
Look how light this is, guys.
This is the moment of truth, guys.
Look how light these are compared to the other ones.
This is the moment of truth, guys. This is the moment of truth. This is the moment of truth, guys. Does it fit?
They line up there.
Does it fit? Does it fit?
They line up over here.
Oh, fuck. Perro.
I'm just gonna bolt it back up. Oh, I gotta put the sensor.
Oh yeah, if you guys don't want the seatbelt light, make sure to connect that sensor. Just to avoid the light, you know. We don't need extra lights. It takes 2 seconds. I think it's currently mounted and everything. How many pounds do you think you lost, Isaac?
Like 100.
Yeah, the driver's one is pretty heavy, especially. I don't know why. Alright, don't be dumbasses like us. You guys need to swap out the handle, the actual buckle thing.
The Z-bolt?
Yeah, because it doesn't work with the 350Z one, so you guys have to swap that out. It's easy, it's like one bolt and just like, connect the wiring.
But it will mean it doesn't work, like it doesn't click in.
It doesn't click in, so you have to swap those out, which is, I think, not a big deal. And then connect the sensor at the bottom, obviously. This is the second moment of truth, ladies and gentlemen. Driver's seat. If this works, we're genius. We swapped out the handle before we put it in this time. We're not idiots. Well, it fit. So me as a passenger, definitely sit lower. I can feel it. What about you? Toma. This guy. Is it higher or lower or what?
Feels the same.
Neta? It's just me then. You don't drive like that?
Yeah, I drive like that.
This guy.
It's a little bit lower because I have to like.
Yeah. Alright, so the back two bolts fit, the front two don't, but if you drill one, you can drill another hole on your...
The left side.
Yeah, on the left side. You can drill another hole.
In the front. Left side front.
Yeah, no big deal. That bolt fits. That bolt fits. Screw the back on it. This one did not fit. Screw it more. Screw it more. Screw it more.
More?
No, sorry. This one did not fit, so I just drilled the one right next to it, and then put the same bolt back in there, and it fits now, and it doesn't shake. Shake it, is it?
Yeah. Before, when I was driving, it would go back like when you're leaning on a chair.
Small price to pay. I think so. Turn your car. What lights turn on?
Just the airbag.
Alright.
Hold on. The seatbelt. Oh, there we go.
Where's the airbag light? So the only light that turns on is the airbag light, which is, I don't think a big deal. I don't know if you people care about airbag light, but
It's obviously just because
to lose a bunch of weight, I think it's worth it.
it's obviously just because the whole seat was actual airbag.
Yeah. So they're not connected no more. That's why the airbag's on. So. Yep. Pretty cool little install. They go very well with the black dash. Because I don't think the gray interior looks very good in this car anyways. Now it looks better.
I think it's worth it. If you have a friend who got racing seats and want, okay, but this is from the base model 350Z, so it has no airbags. It's literally just the seat. I think if you get an enthusiast or a grand touring, it comes with
yeah, anything that's
airbags.
not a base model.
It comes with the airbags back here, right here.
Yeah.
So that's obviously heavier, but this, I wanted to do this because it was just a straight.
It's just a cloth, a straight up cloth.
It's a little bit heavier than the race.
So this is what they look like in the car. I think they look pretty good because it looks really good with the black dash.
The black trim.
Yeah, it looks really good.
Obviously, all this is gonna go out later.
Yeah.
But just some quick racing seats.
Yes. How much pound do you think you lost? It's a pretty good amount, huh?
I think the front one was, it felt like 80. I'm not gonna lie. That was
the driver's side.
The
really
driver's
heavy.
side was heavier than the passenger.
It was really heavy, like stupid heavy.
So I think it was like 80 and then 40, 50. So that's what, like 130.
Yeah.
And these are like, what do you say, like 30?
Yeah.
Less?
These are cheap. Yeah, it's probably like 30 pounds each. They're like, it's literally nothing. It's just the rails in the seat.
So you're losing like 70, 80 pounds just from doing that. Thanks for watching, guys. Like, subscribe, tell us what you want to see next. Shit, can you see it?
Yeah, you good.
We have a lot of more parts coming in, more G37 content,
350Z content, G35 content.
oh, we need more G37s.
Yes, that too.
So everything's coming, so watch.